Just about to put a few rings on the legs of our new baby turquoisines. This is a little aluminium band, and they're already split. I usually just pop them open with my fingernails. Like so, so you can get the little leg in there. And then once the leg's in there, you can just push it shut. So up here, if you follow me, we have the little babies. Hello guys. Go back on a minute. Go. Let go. Let go, sweetie. Let's put this little toe. Right. So this turquoisine, as you can see, is almost ready to fly. And that one is flying. Bugger. So we quickly need to get these leg rings on. This, I think, is a female. There's no red showing up on the wing. So we will put a ring on her left leg. We put the females on the left, the males on the right. Nice and easy. So, your left leg, sweetie. There, like that. And I just crimp it around with my fingers. We don't do this to all our birds, just we're getting too many turquoisines now, it's hard to tell them apart, so, and there it is. Always use metal ones for parrots, anything with a hooked beak, because else they'll break the plastic ones off, bite them off. Right, I'll put that one back in the nest, hopefully it'll stay in there for a little bit longer. There you go, sweetie. I'll try and catch the other one that got out.